Today, we're diving into uncharted waters with the latest release from Sony, the Xperia 1 VI. A buzz is in the air. Has Sony taken a page from MKBHD's playbook? Let's find out. Sony's trajectory in the smartphone arena mirrors Porsche's storied past in the auto industry. Sony's boldness in putting 4K displays in smartphones sets them apart. But for a mass-market appeal, a $600–$800 range with a premium mid-range 120Hz 1080p display might be the sweet spot. Plus, a smaller screen 6.5 inches seems to be the trend. Sony has just unveiled the Xperia 1 VI, available for pre-order with a remarkably quick turnaround, shipping in early June. Priced at $1,299 in the UK and $1,399 in Europe, the US price is expected to be similar. It comes in black, platinum silver, and khaki green, with 12GB RAM and either 256GB or 512GB storage options. Sony has taken a step back from some features but made significant advancements elsewhere. After using the Xperia 1 VI for 10 days, here are some game-changing highlights. Responding to MKBHD's feedback, Sony has ditched the 21:9 aspect ratio for a more user-friendly 19.5:9. The 6.5-inch display, now fully HD plus LTPO-AMOLED, balances efficiency with visual brilliance. Although it's a downgrade from 4K, the adjustable refresh rate from 1 to 120Hz and 50% increased brightness offer a power-saving, visually impressive experience. The Xperia 1 VI is the first in its line to feature a vapor cooling chamber, paired with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This combo delivers 25% more power efficiency and speed, allowing peak performance without thermal throttling. A thermal test revealed a cooler running temperature, making it ideal for gaming with features like ray tracing and variable refresh rates. The tagline with power aptly describes the Xperia 1 VI. It boasts a 5000 mAh battery, delivering over 10 hours of screen-on time straight out of the box. Sony's retuned charging algorithms promise minimal battery degradation over 4 years, with fast charging capable of reaching 50% in 30 minutes. Sony retains fan-favorite features like the textured Gorilla Glass Victus 1 back, expandable memory up to 1.5 TB, and a headphone jack with premium audio circuitry. The side-mounted fingerprint reader and the dedicated shutter button for the camera remain, offering convenience and enhanced functionality. Sony has streamlined the camera experience with a unified app, heeding MKBHD's advice. Improved HDR performance and AI enhancements in human and animal autofocus, white balance, and subject recognition elevate the camera's functionality. A new 85-170mm lossless zoom lens with a sliding element adds to the hardware upgrades. Sony's AI-powered camera auto mode makes it a breeze for casual users, while photography enthusiasts can still delve into advanced features. With upcoming updates integrating Video Pro and Cinema Pro features into the main camera app, the Xperia 1 VI is geared for versatile content creation. Sony has indeed embraced much of MKBHD's feedback. The Xperia 1 VI, with its refined design, efficient display, powerful performance, and user-friendly camera, is a testament to Sony's adaptive strategy. At $1,299, it offers substantial value for its features and early availability. For a closer look at the Xperia 1 VI's camera capabilities, check out my top London photo spots video, shot entirely with this phone. Thanks for watching. If you've just subscribed, welcome to one of the finest communities around.